there, handy friends. Tonight I am making fermented cranberry honey, and I'm really excited to show you this recipe. So for this fermented cranberry honey, what we need is a quart jar, 3 cups of fresh cranberry, 1-inch knob of ginger sliced, and then I'm choosing to use lemon juice. You can use lemon or orange juice. And then 2 cups of raw honey, local, and 1 cinnamon stick. And so the first thing that is needed is going to be 3 cups of fresh cranberries. So I have 1 cup here. Fill the second cup. So I'm going to get these 3 cups into the bowl, and then I need to break the skins on the cranberries, so slightly mash them. So get my second cup here, and the third. Three cups of cranberries. And then I have this mashing tool. You can use a potato masher. I just happen to have this. It's for nuts, it has blades. So I'm going to do this and break the skins of these cranberries and then show you what's next. I have my 3 cups of cranberries mashed here. As you can see, they are really hard to break, so potato masher probably would be really hard. You might want to use a food processor, but not too much. See how I just barely got them in half here and broke the skin. So here I am filling the jar with my 3 cups of lightly crushed cranberries. And I live in Michigan. These are Michigan grown, so we're really lucky to have that. And then also the honey is local, so we try to do local when possible. Support local small businesses. All right. And then the next thing we're gonna do, get it all in there. The next thing we're gonna do is add the ginger and the cinnamon and the lemon juice. So set this back here. And so it calls for 1 inch of ginger, and I have some of these items here cut for the next recipe that I'm making. And so don't need that. It's a little bit, I'm going to put in a little bit more than 1 inch. It's about 2 inches of ginger in here. I like my ginger, and I like it strong. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the cinnamon stick here. Just shove it down. My juice. So this is 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, fresh squeezed. And then I have this top here. Shake it up. And then we're going to cover with 2 cups of honey. So this is 32 ounces, so this is 4 cups. So I'm going to be using half of this. And like I said, this is local honey. And then kind of see where I'm at on the honey level, and it'll seep down. So instead of wasting honey on the edge of the measuring cup, I am just halving this bottle So it's going to take me a minute for it to level out to see exactly how much goes in. All right. I'm going to go ahead and get a knife out here and kind of give the honey some room to go down on the sides here. Okay, and we are almost halfway. This is a really, really pretty, decadent way to flavor your honey. And cranberries have a lot of antioxidants in them. They are really good for you. And so this is an easy way to kind of sweeten the cranberries, as well as ingest them easily. Our son, he doesn't really care for cranberries, so by infusing them into this honey, it just makes it sweeter, takes away the bitterness. And just for good measures, we're going to give it a little bit extra here. Extra sweet. Clean off my knife. And so the honey that's on top is just going to make its way down to the bottom. And then the next step is going to be to put the lid on loosely, and then I'm going to put it in a dark, cool place, and every few days I'm going to tighten the lid, give it a shake, and return it. And within a few weeks I'm going to start to see it bubble, and I then know it's ready. So I'm going to wait around 4 weeks before we use this to ingest, and basically we'll be able to eat all the ingredients in it. There's no need to strain it. So I am just going to leave the lid lightly set on top because I don't have a fermenting lid. And then I'm going to come back every day and I'm going to go ahead and give it a shake, and it's going to get a little bit more watery as the lemon and the cranberries and the ginger and everything mix and start to break down. But isn't that just a beautiful mixture? And it's going to taste just as good as it looks. So if you like what you see, I do a lot of all natural home remedies. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and join me for more videos. Stay handy, friends.